Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to bird watching the special birds, the Colorful Brick Sparrow in Heartopia. So Heartopia has a new event right now, the event that called Modular Street, and at this event you can bird watching any new special birds. One of them is the Colorful Brick Sparrow, and to bird watching these birds is very easy. First, just go to the special brick birds event. You can just join this event every Saturday and Sunday if you want to join it when it's hosted by NPC Bailey J. But you can also start this event by yourself by paying it with 20 bricks tickets. And it will spawn all time, almost all weather like this. So just go to the event locations that located on here near the old sea over here, and then you can join it when it's hosted by NPC every Saturday and Sunday at 4 p.m. And then you can also start it yourself by tap on it and then just tap on this start special brick birds event like this, and then after that just pay it with 20 brick tickets. And so make sure you already have enough brick tickets, and if you don't know how to get these brick tickets, you can just click the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And after that just tap on confirm and you will start to join this special brick birds event. And at this special event you can find this colorful brick sparrow that these birds only found at this event. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.